All right, welcome to our instructional video for how to talk about or how to rough draft out your TV program, right? So the big picture question we're going to be answering is, how does geography influence culture? That's like the high up question. You're going to pick a specific topic, which you did last week, either the Han Dynasty overall or the Silk Road. And you're going to use that as the way in which you, to narrow your focus as you're trying to answer this question about geography and culture. All right, so you're going to go through this handout, and you're going to start out by just doing some brainstorming. What do you already know? Okay, so think back to what you've read previously. Okay. What would you like to learn? So this is where you might be doing some more research or going back and looking for specifics, maybe in your notes or in the textbook, right? Or maybe you're just doing some research on your own because you feel like rabbit holing it. Okay. And then as we go down, you're going to see these things called subtopics with space for notes. Okay. And subtopics are like within your big topic of the Han Dynasty or the Silk Road. What are you going to narrow it to? Okay, so if you think about this whole thing as being like a funnel, got our big question up here about geography influencing culture, then we've got our topic, and now we're starting to narrow it down, and this is where our subtopics come in, okay? And they're going to be basically different segments. All right, so then we get down to the actual storyboard itself, and if you've never had to do any kind of planning to make a video, then just know that the storyboard is how you work out what's going to happen when, right? It's that written piece. So first of all, what type of segment are you going to do? Okay, so how are you going to approach it? And then what's the information you're going to use in your segment? And bullet points are fine for this, right? Type of segment, by the way, so main story, interview, human interest, those are news story ones. But if you're doing the nighttime TV talk show, you could also do just that it's the monologue, right? Or maybe it's an interview or something like that. Give me some bullet points. What's the information you're going to actually include? And then what are any graphics or images, maybe some music you're going to do? Just tell me what those are. You can include them if you want to, put links in there, that's fine, but just tell me what they are. All right, so if you have questions, if you need any help with anything, go ahead, reach out, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in class.